Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to share with you a few data bundle codes you can use to get cheap data bundles. Okay, so this mostly applies to I think MTN and Telecel and even Airtel users. Okay, I'm not going to show you the pop-ups once you insert this code, so you try it, and then once you get the packages you just choose the one you prefer. Okay, I'll also share some of the packages that I think might work best for you, okay, depending on the exact specific code, right? So without further much ado, let's dive right into this tutorial video. So in case you are new to our channel, make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any newly uploaded videos. Okay, make sure to like, share, and in case you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. Respond to them as soon as possible. Okay, so the first code regarding this specific video is *203, okay, *300#. Okay, so again, I'm not going to share with you what pops up, but I'm going to share with you some of the packages I think might be helpful to you in case this is meant for Airtel, Tigo, Vodafone, or MTN users. Okay, so now with this code you can get 50 gigabytes for a very cheap price. Okay, it's very cheap. I think 50 gigabytes is around 200 cedis or so, and then the list goes on and on. Okay, you can get 2 gig for 11 cedis and so on. Okay, that's for this specific data code. Okay, so I'm going to share with you 3 more data codes, and then we'll end this specific video. Now let's move on to the second code. So the second code is *228*10#. Okay, now with this code, I think this is the best offer you can get when it comes to this code. Okay, so you can get 8 gigabytes for 32 cedis. Okay, and then 16 gigabytes for a double of that amount, that's 64 Ghana cedis. So I think this specific code is very good for anyone who is looking for a budget data code for buying cheap data bundles. Okay, again, I'm not going to show you the pop-up, so this will work for, I think this is Vodafone also. I cannot verify at the moment. Okay, but just check out this code in case it doesn't pop up on MTN. I think it's Telecel. Okay, I believe it's Telecel. So right, let's proceed to the final 2 codes. In case you are getting any value from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification so that you don't miss out on any newly uploaded video, because I'll be uploading more and more of these videos and similar videos. I'm yet to upload some videos on Netflix, USD cards, and all of that. Okay, so I'll upload all of that and other additional videos on how to make money online. Okay, I'll be uploading a series of those videos in the coming weeks. Okay, so let's proceed to the next data code. So the next data code I'll be sharing with you guys is *282, okay, *125#. Okay, so with this data code, I think you will get 3 gigabytes for 14 cedis. This is very cheap. Okay, you get 3 gig for 14 cedis. Our first code, you can get 2 gig for 11 cedis. Comparing that to getting 3 gig for 14 cedis, I think this is a very good code. So make sure to explore this code as well, and then move on to the last and final data code for this specific video. Okay, so with this code you can just try and explore this code. Okay, so you have *203*808#. okay, so this is the final code. Okay, so with this code you can just explore the options to look at the one you prefer or the one that you think is cheap, depending on your budget. Okay, as I stated earlier, make sure to turn on your post notification after subscribing so that you don't miss out on any newly uploaded videos, because I'll be uploading similar videos and other self-help and make money online videos in the coming weeks. Okay, right, so in case you got any value from this video, make sure to share with anyone who might find this video helpful, because data bundle nowadays is very expensive, and these kind of codes will help people get budgeted data bundle. So I will see you in our next video. Have a lovely day.